Father of Cuideachd go Cymraeg 3 Llanelwch, as yn dweud i chi gyn eisteachd an hio, agus as yn college nidylef garte bria a ha edna barrachd agus ysyn tordisteach cainachan rwydda gref o'r an y mega meidr na loch ag meidr na nila. Thanks for coming on along this evening. Welcome to Kinloch Historical Society. We're very proud to be presenting the exhibition by Dr Francis Wilkins over there. The exhibition has been designed by Ronan Martin, who is standing next to her. I'll shortly be asking Francis to come up and talk about her research. And maybe Ronan is going to talk a little bit about his part of the project as well. So if you'd like to come over, Francis and Ronan. So tonight on the Cuideachd, we will be providing tea and biscuits over here, and there's also some refreshments. So do help yourself, have a look around the exhibition, and as a part of our community remit, we have a donation box down there at the door to enable us to run more events like this and have more exhibitions that represent our culture. So taisbeanadh seo in Francis Wilkins agus a gaelig Oidhche agus a gaelig ag Ronan Cuideachd. Francis Wilkins.
Morantang Maggie, agus tapalé bruidhinn yn y tîn hei homa a faikin a bruidhinn yn seo. Agus hei homa a faikin dynnu a gael pars nas y project Cuideachd agus cheile agus hami docus can be dynnu shine as seo Cuideachd. Thanks so much for coming, everyone. It's lovely to be back in Lewis again, and with the sun shining this time. We were here in January, putting the exhibition up at Museum in Yellen in Stornoway, and it was about this deep in snow, and lots of people couldn't make it to the opening. So it's lovely to see a few of you here tonight. Who can make it tonight. Completely different feel to the island with the sunshine, which is great. Thanks so much to Kinloch Historical Society as well for inviting us to put the exhibition up. It's really been a joint venture between myself and Ronan Martin. I spent 6 years doing the research. I've been researching the subject since 2018, and the first time I came up was January 2018, and I remember getting in touch with a few people who were presenters, including Dr MacDonald, who must have been the first or second person I interviewed for the entire project, and it was a great trip back then, and I learnt a lot about the larach-linn from that trip, and I came back quite a few more times. And became more and more interested in other aspects of spiritual singing as well, particularly the spiritual songs and hymns. So the project, the exhibition really tries to touch on all of the, almost entirely, I think, Gaelic spiritual and sacred singing traditions. So you have the section here which is about Gaelic psalmody, and then you go into the hymnody tradition in South Uist, airson, barrachd, the hymnody in the church, and then also looking at the hymnody tradition in people's homes as well, in the Presbyterian tradition. So we've got a bit about and your barrachd, which I'm sure a lot of you will be familiar with, and also some of the personal hymn books as well that people have made, which is a really interesting part of the project. And then we also have this section here, which is the bards and composers. So we wanted to just showcase some of the people across the Outer Hebrides and also in Skye and Oidhche who have written new music, who have written and composed over the years. So people from sort of dating back to the 1800s with the likes of Father MacDonald, and then going right on to the present time as well with the likes of Ishbel T. MacDonald and others. So these are kind of some showcases of individuals as well as the sort of the wider tradition. And we've got CD players as well, so there are 3 CD players, there's sort of listening points in the room, and you can listen to the different material on each of the players. So that one over there is Psalms. There's hymn singing on the CD player just behind yourself, Murdo, and then there's also the compositions here which are related to this section, and lots of objects that we've found along the way as well. I think Kinloch Historical Society were particularly interested in finding objects for the exhibition which were related to this area. So we found some really nice objects, including, actually this was on display in Stornoway as well, but the personal hymn books of Myratt McInnes, who is from Ballallen. She grew up here and she was around during some of the revival meetings in the late 40s and early 50s, and as a 14-year-old she was really taken with the hymn singing at these meetings, and she wrote down lots of the hymns, lots of locally composed hymns, and also asked, she was around a lot of the composers at the time as well, and she asked them to write down their hymns as well. So it's a really precious collection of locally composed songs, and you can see some of the pages from her books just in that cabinet there. She's now in Inverness, and I was lucky enough to go and visit her and interview her for the project, which was great. A few other things as well. There's a lovely old version of the Your Bait Gerach, the wee red book, which was owned by, I think, John Mackenzie from Laxey, and it was originally his book and came into the possession of one of my actually quite near neighbours, Mary Sikorsky, whose father was a minister up in Europe in Ness, and it came into his possession and is now owned by her, but she very kindly donated it to the exhibition, so we've got that over there as well, so coming back to the area. And then a few other objects over here as well, a communion cup and jug and plate and communion tokens and lectern, all from Lemmerway as well, so very close by. So I think that's most of what I've got to say, except to say thank you so much to everyone who's taken part in the project. I think for me it's an ongoing project. This in a way feels like the start, because there's just so much material and there's so much more to explore. But I think this has been a great sort of way of starting off that exploration, and also hopefully inviting people to participate in the future as well. So if you do have any contribution you'd like to make to the project, do let me know. There are always things that I've missed, so it's always good to continue sort of with the contributions. There's a website as well at seinn.org, seinn.org, and it's got lots of recordings of the songs. I think there are about 300 recordings of the songs that were recorded for the project. You can also access that archive on the digital archive here, the touchscreen computer, which was set up by Ian here, who is in the audience. So Ian's very kindly come to set it up. So if you have any questions about the touchscreen, there's a sound map on it as well, and there's a virtual tour with lots of information and video and sound recordings. So if you'd like a tour of that, I'm sure Ian would be really happy to show you around, or you can also just explore it in your own time. And I think that's enough from me, and I'm hoping that we might have some singing to carry on the proceedings.
Seinn is an frigus an cheile, an airson tír. An Oidhche seogus as a vantis an geshin. An airson is tír gael na do chéir. Gwaith a chus tír na gras, as pech gyúil Cuideachd. An olaf an gavis a hartai, as trúst a bena fu me. An sydd a hélog kvekis féin, je gavi trúst gekun. As an die azen agus léir a chus a stil afgekar. Teisteachd tadhal an sin is fad, geen Cuideachd. Rha'n o'r i'r sir.
Ceidh nach húps sméireach dia, sta heis skúnt nach rán, a sáte feir nach húcht balían, slmóigrach briaach gaun. Ver muise buiachas da dhé, húcóla aram an féim, ha marnach fós, a naim na haig, gan hygys mar yn hyn. Cain
Psalm 122, the last two verses. In there state of the Valachuf, wie she is son is mine. Die hadden was voors geroken braak, had de loge staken stijt. Het skam over aden sloeg, mo uit, goeiem she genaam. Het skaat een over tjern iarraidh, door les gebraak.
Mae'r sgag yn amadol, I'm sure cael gan am a cover presenting. We started off with Callum MacDonald, who is from Cuideachd, with strong Barrachd connections. And then we had Murdo Macmillan, born and brought up in Cuideachd, now living in Carloway, and Dr MacDonald from Stornoway, with strong Lochs connections across the bust. So we have maybe another couple of presenters. We have certainly got Murdo Christopher over there, but I think we all need a cup of tea. Thank you. I think that's Ronan. Does Ronan want to come and talk a little bit about anything? No. Ronan Martin is the designer standing over there. So enjoy the exhibition and have a nice look coming out tonight.
No, kusalamar and Riefich. Sam 68. Hier come piano Croe, a torch to go to Kahwa. The heel of the tears, one, 10 years, Shipio. This landing year to walk a strain, Nico on Skirkas. The year half of 24, one, chase at Pinion Pass. Hier come piano Croe, a torch to go to Kahwa. Here